Does anybody know what happened? I just hear that two clicks. Of course, the Explorer would stop working, so I had to go get a jump starter first thing in the morning, and I'm gonna try to see if I can actually get this thing started. So last night, this thing did not start at all. It just clicked like twice and then it stopped. I'm gonna remote start it to show you guys what happens when I try to start this. I tried turning it on this morning and it started a little bit and then it shut off. So I was just thinking it's probably the battery, probably like, you know, unbalanced charge here and there, and then it got to start a little bit in the morning, and then now I manually had to lock all the doors because the doors wouldn't lock, and now I also have to manually open the doors. So I gotta figure that out somehow. In the key, I think there's a spare in here that I can use to actually open the door. But I'll have to figure that out and get into the vehicle. So I got to open this key here. This is the back part of the key. I got to open it, and this is where the actual key is. This will help me open the door. And I also unboxed this jump starter here that I got off of Home Depot. The driver door is the only door that would actually open. So what's this? Oh, that was really hard. Barely needed leverage. Thing is, this thing did not die fully. There you go. No sound at all. This time it's even worse. So let's actually pop the hood open. All set up. So this is turned on. Checking connection. It says low. Battery status is low, so yeah, we don't really have a lot of battery here, and I don't see any like button or anything to just like get it started or anything like sending boost or anything. There's this plug in the back, I guess, to charge this thing, but I think as long as you connect it, it should just work. The sound here is a little louder. So I think it should work. No, it doesn't work. I'm guessing we have to wait a little bit, or maybe that thing doesn't have power. I probably gotta charge that thing. After trying for so long, it actually turned on. So it was the battery, I'm guessing, unless the alternator is failing to charge the battery. That's something that we're gonna have to figure out after this runs out. But as you can see, the battery is on low. So now it's here in the middle. So this was low all this time up until I started it, and I guess when we're at the green mark, we will be good to go. I guess it's charging now. So I'm gonna take this thing off and see how this works, and hopefully it's just a battery. This battery is the original battery that actually came with the car. This is the Ford Motorcraft, the genuine Ford battery here. A battery like this obviously has a lifetime of like 3 to 4 years, sometimes 5 years. In my case, it's like that. This is a 17 car, so 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So it's like 5 years now. And after some time, I've been checking, and now it's turning well and nicely. I guess I gotta change the battery, and I don't think it was anything else more than that. So what happens is this dash cam here stays on like forever, even if I turn the car off. This might have drained a lot of the battery, and then also I haven't driven this for a long time, and I think that could have also caused this issue. But whatever it is, I think the battery just needs to go. It's been a very long time, and you know, it was here without an issue all this time, all these years. I think now it's time for a new battery. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.